In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse video clip in Shotcut. If you've ever wanted a clip to play backward for a creative effect, a rewind moment, or a stylish transition, Shotcut makes it quick and reliable once you know where to look. Start with your clip already on the timeline. Before we reverse anything, there's one important note about audio. When you reverse a video in Shotcut, its audio is reversed too. That means voices, music, and sound effects will all play backward. If that isn't what you want, mute the track first. On the left side of the video track, click the speaker icon to mute it. You can always unmute later if you decide you prefer the reversed audio. Now, select the clip you want to reverse by clicking on it in the timeline. Right-click the clip and choose Properties. In the Properties panel, you'll see the Reverse option. Click Reverse. Shotcut will open a small dialog asking you to choose a quality level, typically labeled something like Good, Better, or Best. These options balance speed and quality. Good is faster and uses fewer resources. Best takes longer but provides the highest quality. And the middle option is a solid balance for most projects. I'll pick the medium option here, then click OK. Shotcut will process the reverse in the background. Depending on your clip's length and resolution, this can take a little time. You can watch the progress in the Jobs area, and once it completes, Shotcut will replace the clip on your timeline with the reversed version. Scrub through the timeline to confirm the action plays backward exactly as you intended. If you muted the track earlier, you'll now have a clean, silent reversed clip, which is great for adding your own music or sound design. If you actually want that reversed sound effect, just unmute the track and play it back to hear everything in reverse. Either way, the visual is now flipped from end to beginning. That's all there is to it. Select the clip, open Properties, click Reverse, choose your quality level, and confirm. Remember to mute first if you don't want backward audio. With this simple workflow, you can add polished rewind effects to your edits in seconds. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Shotcut.